Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Tuesday, June 17, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 5, verses 43 to 48. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 43 and 44. You have heard that it was said, you shall love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But I say to you, love your enemies, bless those who curse you, do good to those who hate you, and pray for those who spitefully use you and persecute you. The gospel of the Lord. Our message, love your enemy. Ibigin ang kaaway. They are your brothers and sisters too. Mga kapatid mo rin sila. First, they are also members of the family of God. They are also His children. Be a true son of the Father in heaven and a good brother to them. Sila rin ay miyembro ng pamilya ng Diyos. Sila rin ay kanyang mga anak. Maging tunay na anak ng Ama sa langit at mabuting kapatid sa kanila. Second, they need to be blessed by God through you. They are loved by God too. Be a blessing to them and you will be blessed by God. Kailangan din nilang pagpalain ng Diyos sa pamamagitan mo. Sila ay mahal din ng Diyos. Maging isang pagpapala sa kanila at ikaw ay pagpapalain ng Diyos. And third, they are just weak and lost. They need your love like the love of the Father to you. Be the Father's love and care for them. Mahina lang sila at naliligaw. Kailangan nilang iyong pagmamahal tulad ng pag-ibig ng Ama sa iyo. Maging pag-ibig at pangangalaga ng Aba para sa kanila. Good morning and God bless us all.